Hello there, Leah Steinker with Prowess Project, bringing you another technology tip video for the week. This week, I want to focus on automations that help me out as an OBM. We had a great question last week in our OBM meeting, and that was, what are the things how do you use Zapier to make your life easier as an OBM? And three areas that I always focus on when I'm thinking about what automations to set up are, what are those everyday tasks that I do that are completely repetitive, that if I could just automate this, that's time back in my calendar. What is happening on the back end that I would rather it happen seamlessly and not be waiting on me? And what communication, if I got it to my team quicker, would help us work together better. So those are the three things: day-to-day tasks, seamless backend, and timely communication that I focus on when I'm looking to set up new automations. But right now, I wanted to give you my list of my top 5 automations that I'm using every day. One is having responses to emails go out automatically based on the information that I get in a form. So an example of this would be in WordPress. If I have checkboxes saying which asset they would like or what is their title, I can then have that email response go out automatically based on what I've set up. I like to use Zapier or Airtable to set up this kind of automation. Next would be sending tasks to my daily calendar based on the day of the week. I don't like to bog down my calendar with all the things that I know that I need to do on Fridays, let's say, but I can have it set that, at midnight on Thursday, all those tasks go in for Friday so that it's clean and organized, and I know exactly what I need to do today. I find this to be it really helps me when I am very busy, and there might be things, yes, I do them every week, but might get overlooked if, a lot is going on. Next is updating the team Slack channel with any kind of timely communication so nobody's waiting on me. The good example of this would be when, registrations come in, payments are made, due dates are missed, any of that, everybody's seeing it and nobody's waiting on for me to check the status board. Next one is adding new client engagements to HubSpot. So again, if we're have an event going on and we want to know who registered, I can have a Zap set up so automatically the team could just check the HubSpot board that we use and know exactly who is registered and what are the next steps. I can update their statuses, any of the information in there so that, again, nobody's waiting on me for all of that to happen, and our data and our statistics are all updated in real time. Lastly, adding updated assets to our resource list. So we're a busy team, a lot of people, adding new things, creating new information, but it's great to have it all in one place. So instead of taking a couple hours and making sure each week I update all of that information, as new things hit my YouTube channel, I can just automatically have that go to my resource list. The same thing with my podcast or blogs. As new things get published, it automatically goes to that list, and everyone has, again, real-time information on what our latest resources are. So those are my top 5 favorite automations. I would love to hear about yours. You can drop those in the comments below, and if there's anything you'd want me to expand on, make sure you reach out. You can reach me at leah@prowessproject.com, and we'll talk to you soon.